What's up, everybody? We have made it to the TV Promotions 100K presented by Reese Motorsports Insurance, and it is Mullis Wednesday, where we are giving away a complete roller, $200 entry fee. This is what these guys are racing for, and I'm going to give you a sneak peek at that brand new car before everybody else, so check it out here. There's the big check here on 100K. The Mullis Race Car Wednesday, and you've got the RBZ billet double beadlock wheels with the Mickey Thompson tires. How about that Mullis rear end housing with the Mosier rear end in there? TBM brakes presented by Motion Raceworks. Unbelievable craftsmanship and detail. You can see here. How about the Penske monoshock? Just great craftsmanship on these brand new Mullis cars. How about the Honeywayne Enterprise wired digital delay Elite 625 along with the digital delay ignition box there, the Titan Ultra Pro shifter, and the race pack. Shout out to Champs Performance for making a lot of that happen. And you got the RBZ billet front wheels. And how about the paint done by Schuster Paintworks, Chuck's Auto Body? Imagine that, customs. The design render by DMAC Design, accelerated graphics involved. How about Pro Run safety with their elite seat belts? This car is immaculate, and we can't wait to give it away. So there you have it, the Mullis Race Car giveaway car, $200 gets everybody entered, and we are giving away Follow Along Live, Motor Mania TV for all the action here at the TV Promotions 100K presented by Reese Motorsports Insurance.